right, so another day, another box. As ex kind of fitness, ex TV, ex whatever the hell you want to call her, semi star Susan Powder might have said, "Stop the insanity!" Yeah, a box I wasn't quite expecting yet, but got some plushies I had ordered a while back, plus a pre order as well. I've already taken to cutting the box open, so we're just going to kind of pull things out here and see what we got sent from Right Stuff today. Alright, and first off here, let's see, got a little Madoka Magica item here. And this is the glue-bound notebook, or that's what Right Stuff has it called, the glue-bound notebook. Let's see if I can squeeze this into frame. Back side. And let me see here. And yep. There's the little cardboard insert to keep the shape, and here is the inside of the notebook. So, yep. Front and back page with the girls down at the bottom, and Cube as well. So, cool little item. And I got some plush in here. Sword Art Online. So first, well, we'll get them both in here. It's our Asuna and Kirito plushies. Go ahead and open Asuna first and get a better look at her. Sword Art Online from Aniplex. Q code. I'll have to check out where that goes later. I'm assuming it's Aniplex's website. But here's our Asuna and all of her plushy goodness from the first arc. And she's got a little loop on the top of her head. Guess if you want to hang your plushie, that's different. And we'll go to Kirito. Kirito also has a strap from his head here, I guess to hang for some reason. But here's the Kirito polish. And Kirito's sword. And hopefully in I believe it's 2 weeks, the 4th volume and 4th and final Blu-ray volume will be released. And finally, we'll end this with some anime. Ooh. Notepads. I haven't gotten these from Right Stuff for a while. I add those to the collection as well. I can always use those. Let's see. Okay, now this is interesting. There's a card in here for a 30-day access pass to an anime channel, Neon Alley, along with a code on the backside. So, not revealing that, but I'm going to have to check that out. I am always up for some free anime and see what they got. And my Crunchyroll subscription well, I bought 1 year at a time. Expires here in about 2 weeks. So I may have to see what kind of selection this Neon Alley has, because it says on the back here 24/7 anime experience like you've never seen before, all uncut and English dubbed, exclusive premieres plus all your favorites. Go to www.tryneonalley.com to sign up. Well, that's definitely worth checking out. And make sure there's not much else in here. Got a advertisement for Madoka box. Wasn't exactly one of my favorites when I first watched it. I kind of was into it at first, but kind of fell out of interest with it. So maybe have to see if I can go through that again on Crunchyroll, or possibly this Neon Alley, and see if it might be worth checking out one more time, and maybe worth a buy. But finally, I mentioned one anime title in here, and that is My Little Sister Is Among Them from Sentai Filmworks. The complete collection on Blu-ray, all 12 episodes plus the OVA. And is insanity hereditary? Shogo Mikadono is beginning to think so, because the terms of his late father's will seem crazy, and following them may drive Shogo bonkers as well. It sounds simple at first. Before Shogo can claim his very large inheritance, he just has to start attending a certain new school and find a nice girl to marry. It's a little unromantic, but perfectly doable, right? After all the girls seem quite friendly. So all Shogo has to do is find one he has something in common with. Except, and here's the kicker, it turns out that Shogo has way too much in common with one of them, because she's actually his long-lost sister, and he has no idea which of them she is. Will Shogo meet his Miss Right without committing something very morally wrong? Can he find his future bride without slipping into the wrong set of jeans? And if his little sister does reveal herself, how much will be revealed and under what circumstances? We'll just kind of cut in here and show off the disc. I believe this, since this is a Sentai title, there's not going to be much otherwise to the set. So one look at the front cover and the information on the back of the gem case. And the screenings on our 2 Blu-ray discs. I will post no spoilers. We won't tell you who it is if you haven't seen the series. I actually did get a chance to watch this one once, and yeah, there's a little bit of ecchi and that whole sister complex kind of thing in here, but this is actually a nice, lighthearted, fun title, so definitely worth watching. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video here. Some fun little things to find on my doorstep on kind of a dreary, rainy day here in the Midwest. Cool, almost wintry. Hopefully no snow tomorrow like they are possibly thinking about, so might occur. Anyway, once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.